gonna show you the real Moscow. I'm like, all right, YOLO, let's see what's up. He rolls up in a black Maybach. We're cruising down Tverskaya, and I already know this isn't just grabbing a beer. This street looks like someone dropped Vegas, Dubai, and Times Square into a blender and hit puree. Neon everywhere. Supercars parked on the sidewalk like it's normal. He goes, "We're leaving the car here. Everything's walking distance now." We hop out near Kamergursky Lane and, dude, I lost the ability to speak. Look at this. Turns camera to the street. You seeing these girls? These are just regular Moscow girls on a Friday night. I'm dead serious. In Seattle, you only see outfits like this on Halloween. Maybe New Year's Eve if you're lucky. Here, every weekend. 6-inch heels, dresses that should be illegal, hair and makeup like they just walked off a Paris runway. And every single one of them is smiling, saying hi, wanting selfies with the random American guy. One girl comes up, perfect English. "You're so handsome. Where are you from?" I'm standing there like an idiot. Seattle, Starbucks, rain, huckle. She laughs and floats away with her friends, while I try to remember how to breathe. We keep walking and it just gets more insane. We turn into some courtyard. There's a line of like 200 people, dudes in $5,000 suits, girls in dresses with slits up to Jupiter, face control tighter than airport security. Artyom just nods at the bouncer and we walk straight in. I step inside and, bro, this isn't a club, it's a freaking palace. 3 floors, massive chandeliers, 60-foot bar, bartenders doing flair like Tom Cruise in Cocktail. Bass so deep you feel it in your chest. 2nd floor, hookahs, huge couches, and the most stunning women I've ever seen in my life. Just chilling. One sits down next to me. First time in Moscow? I nod like a bobblehead. She smiles. "Then tonight you're my guest." Next thing I know, there's a bottle of Dom Perignon 2012 on the table. I almost had a heart attack when I saw the price, but Artyom just laughs and handles it. We bounce to the street again, and that's when it turns into an actual movie. Walking down Stoleshnikov and 2 girls, blonde and brunette, both could headline Victoria's Secret tomorrow. Ladies, I'm a 38-year-old tech bro with a dad bod and a receding hairline. Calm down. They're like, no, tonight every American guy in Moscow is Brad Pitt. Selfies, hugs. One of them kisses me on the cheek and now I've got lipstick tattooed on my face for the rest of the night. Shows cheek to camera. Next stop, some hidden speakeasy you enter through a fake refrigerator door like a mafia movie. Inside, 30 people max. Live sax, waiters in tuxedos bringing $40 cocktails. I'm so buzzed on life at this point, I buy a round of tequila for the whole bar and scream, "Na zdоровье," or whatever Artyom taught me. I butchered it. Everyone loses their minds laughing and clapping. 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m. Time stops existing. Lamborghini, G-Wagons, Bentleys just parked on the sidewalk like Uber Priuses back home. Girls taking photos on the hoods, security chilling, 0 fights, 0 sketchy vibes. Everyone's beautiful. Everyone's rich. Everyone's having the time of their life and wants you to have it too. It's almost 4 a.m. now. I told the driver to go home because I want to walk and soak it all in. My feet are killing me. My head's exploding with dopamine. I've got a 10 a.m. investor presentation tomorrow and I look like I just survived spring break in Cancun. But honestly, screw the presentation. I'm gonna walk in tomorrow with red eyes and tell them, guys, forget the pitch deck for 5 minutes. I just saw real Moscow at night. And whatever money you're thinking of investing is pocket change compared to what goes down here every weekend. So yeah, if you ever thought Miami, Vegas, Dubai, or Ibiza had the hottest girls and the craziest nightlife on planet Earth, book a ticket to Moscow, right now. I came here for 2 days of boring meetings, and I'm already trying to figure out how to move here permanently. Russia, I'm in love. Head over.